Hi guys, Asta Mewada here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are seeing the second part of our last lesson, livelihood, in social science of standard 6. In our last video we saw the meaning of livelihood. Again, we also saw the meaning of livelihood in a village, the facilities that they have and the problems faced by them in the village. We now move on to the second part to understand livelihood in the urban areas. We will understand their economic activities and the means of securing the basic necessities of life. So let's start the topic. Here are some examples of means of livelihood seen in a city. Some people have shops and run their own business. Some work in others' shops. Some go to office. Some do business on the roadside. And some even work as hawkers, while some go to the school and college to teach. Besides this, people are employed in small or big jobs on the basis of their skill. You can see in the various pictures that I have put up. Now again, you even have the self-employed artisans, like you see in the pictures, example selling vegetables, cycle repairing, etc. These people, they do not work for anyone. People in the cities are also involved in more than one job to make their ends meet. So it can be any of this. But again, in cities, various problems are also faced because of the roadside shops and workers, like a lot of traffic jams, etc. You even get to see a lot of accidents every now and then. Now again we have an example of Karsan Bhai from Mausari village in Vav Taluka of Banaskantha district. This village has Rajasthan's border on one side and Pakistan's on the other. Karsan Bhai was basically engaged in carpentry work, but now he works in Tharad since last 5 years, where he is running a rickshaw, picking and dropping children, school going children. Now and today he has 2 autos. This is how he makes his living. Coming to collective urban livelihood, where many people work together, like for example in a garment factory. You can see that there are so many people working and there are various departments also. Each department is given a specific task like cutting, stitching, etc. People work in shifts in these factories because the machines run the whole day. Sometimes they even get extra work extra money by working extra shifts in the absence of some employees. Again, sometimes even when the demand is high, they get even more money by working overtime. And lastly, we have retail livelihood, where retail refers to the activity of selling goods or services directly to consumers or the end users. Let us take an example of Jai Singh, who is from Rajasthan. He makes chocolates and sells to the traders directly. That is, he himself does the purchasing of the raw material, production, marketing and selling of the chocolates. We can get to see many other such businesses also around us of such types. And hence we can say from this example that skill has great importance in getting employment in the present times. If you have a skill, you can make a good livelihood. So with this we come to the end of this lesson. Goodbye.